What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Meta Knight from Kirby. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page of the inside edge of the visor. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now I want to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the left. So let's start by going up and then out with a straight line. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, going up and then out towards the same height. From the ends, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now I want to follow these same angled lines across the bottom, coming down and in towards the middle, and then back up and out on the right. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. We're going to start on the left side with an oval, come all the way around, and then back up on the inside, and I'll line that up on the right. Let's add a thick edge along the sides and bottom. So from the top left corner, we step in, draw a straight line coming down, go across the bottom, then all the way across towards the right side. Now let's go back to the center and draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head, right about there. Now I want to surround the face with a circle, so we're going to start with the top first. So we're going to step over toward the left, then this up, and then down towards the right. Let's add those ridges across the top of the head. So on the left, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. The same thing on the right. Now going back up to the top, we're going to round this out with a small half circle. And we want to pull this back down towards a point across the bottom. Let's continue the curve, coming down with a short line. I'm going to add another set of these. We're going to come down and in. Round at the top. Then again, just angling this back down towards the point. Now let's complete that circle. Starting on the left side, we're going to go around the face. Come down and in toward the middle. Go all the way around the right side. And then back in. Let's continue this line across the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's draw the shoulder armor. We'll start on the left side of our circle, bend this out, and then up, and then line that up on the right side. Let's add some thickness. We're going to round this out, just follow that same curve coming back in towards the head. From the inside, it's going to round out the shoulder, going up and then in. Now over on the left side, I'm going to draw the hand holding the sword. So let's start from the top, curl the thumb, going up and then down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Now let's curl around the hand, starting from the side, going all the way around like an oval, and tuck that up underneath the thumb. Let's add in the handle. Go up and out on the outside. On the inside, I want to bring this up towards the same height. Come down and in. Up and then in towards the top, and then flatten off the hilt. Let's go to the center and draw a small oval. Let's draw the bottom of the handle underneath the hand with a small half circle. Let's curve the palm coming in and then up, step down, curve the arm coming in and up underneath the shoulder. Now we're going to simplify the blade. From these two top corners, bend this out and then up, bend this down and then in. Let's add another set, going out and then up, come down and then back in. Now I want to bring this up towards the center point, going out and then in. Now let's go over towards the right side. Starting from the inside of the shoulder, draw a half circle for the thumb, add a bracket on the end. From the bottom of the thumb, curve the hand going all the way around and then in underneath the shoulder. Let's tuck the feet in underneath the body, starting on the left side, going out, round out the foot, and then bend that in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, lining this up, coming down and out, round out the foot, and then bring that back in. Now I'm going to go up to the top and layer the cape and collar in behind. So let's start at the top, bend this up and then out on both sids. connect the ends with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Let's add the cape in behind, starting on the left, and it's out and then down. And then curve this back in behind the feet. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's Meta Knight from Kirby. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.